Hi everyone, it's Yanku, and today I got sent this box by a person who wants to remain anonymous. They are a family member of someone who was a victim of the brutality towards disabled people during World War II. And they sent me this box because they wanted to expose how badly disabled people were treated in this time. Let's see what they sent me. The first item in this box is a book called The First Into the Dark. The author of this book is Michael Robertson, and this book is about the euthanasia program, and also and it says here at the back that the murder of sick people during this time was called Krankenmoorde. Oh, here's another book. This book is called Forgotten Crimes, the Holocaust and People with Disabilities. And this book goes into detail about Hitler's belief that if he got rid of disabled people, it would be a way for him to purify Germany. And it also talks about the children's killing program, which meant that disabled children were murdered by their physicians, usually by starvation, or they were given very lethal injections. And also there was a law during this time called the sterilization law, and this law allowed for almost 1 million young adults with disabilities to be sterilized. Okay, let's see what we have next. Okay, this looks like a printout from an article on the internet from a website called theholocaustexplained.org. And this article talks about how the Nazis tried to justify the sterilization law and how they based their view on eugenic research. And it also says here that doctors and nurses in medical institutions were sent to record statistics for the government, for supposedly the government, but the real purpose of it was concealed, because once the victims were identified, they were transported on buses to one of the 6 killing centers of the Nazis to be murdered. Here we have a newspaper with instructions that's telling me to go to page 4. Okay, here on page 4, it talks about a girl named Anita. And Anita was born with an illness called meningitis, and she survived this illness, but she experienced blindness and also brain damage. So she was sent to an institution to be treated, but then her mother got sent a telegram that said that she died of pneumonia, but meanwhile she was actually murdered. Okay, lastly, we have here a flash drive to this video by Tick History, Hitler versus the disabled. Some of the highlights of this video talk about how many countries around the world were actually supportive of the sterilization law, and how doctors weren't actually forced to participate in the euthanasia program. Many of them volunteered to do it. And it also talks about how the Nazis were able to control many of your life choices, such as who your friend should be and who you should marry, etc. Wow, what a lot of heavy content. I am looking forward to reading these books, and also reading the article, watching the video. I will give you guys feedback in the next video. Bye.